In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a photo mode on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and once you are on a camera app, you can easily find your current mode right over here, just above that red button. And then if you would like to switch to a photo mode, all you have to do is just drag this kind of toolbar to the left or to the right until you find photo mode. You can drag it, or you can just stop at another mode to switch to it until you find photo. Also, guys, there is one cool feature in the camera settings on an iPhone that allows us to automatically switch to a photo mode on a camera when we open up the app. To configure that settings, we need to head over to the settings of our device, then scroll down and get into camera settings, then preserve settings, and then towards the very top of the screen you can easily find that camera mode feature. Down below it says that when this feature turned on, it preserved the last mode, such as video, rather than automatically reset to photo. So guys, if that option is turned on your device, it will save the last mode when you next time open up camera app. If you would like your camera to always start in photo mode, just make sure this option turned off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.